Hey, hi, my name is Naveen Kumar G.S. I did my graduation in SJM Institution of Technology Chitradurga with a stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. My passed out year is 2021, and I have got in 10th 67 percentage, and I have got 12th in 58 percentage, and I have got in degree 67 percentage. And thank you Jspider for helping me in my future, and I have got uh, opportunity to get a job in this institution. And for me, the Navanit sir was taken a Java class, and he was helped me a lot to get a job in this from this institution. I got a job in ICT technology company as an associate software engineer with a package of 4 LPA.